Hello everyone. Chapter 1, The Nile I Know. Lesson 4. I need you to open your book on page 17. Okay. What is this symbol? I know most of you know what is this. Yes, correct. This is a compass. This is a compass. So a compass is an instrument or a device for finding directions. North, up here, north, east, west, south. So north and south. North, south, east, west. Okay, as we can see here in this picture or the map of Egypt on page 17, this is the north, south, east, and west. Okay, to get to Giza, we have to go. Okay, if we are living in, like for instance, or for example, we are living in Alexandria. So Alexandria is at the north side of Egypt, okay? If we want to go to Giza or Cairo, we need to go in, yes, south direction. We need to go down, so in the south direction, exactly. Next. So these are the four directions or the four main directions: north, south, east, west. Okay, let's read a map. How can we read a map? This is, we said before that this is the map of Egypt. But is it exactly the same in the real life? Of course not. So we use something called the map scale. The map scale. As we can see here, as shown in the green box, this is the relationship between the distance on the map and the distance in real life. What does that mean? Okay, example. The 1 centimeter on the map equal 100 kilometers in real life. More explanation. Let's say that if we get a ruler, okay, and I need you to point Cairo and Asyut, or Cairo and Aswan. So Cairo is in the north and Aswan is in, yes, exactly, south. Okay, we get the ruler and we measure the distance between them in the map that we have here. Let's, for example, say that the distance or the measure gets me 2 centimeters. Is it really 2 centimeters distance between Cairo and Aswan? Of course not. So we have here the map scale to tell me what is the real distance in real life between Cairo and Aswan. So in this map, if we have the map scale, the 1 centimeter equal 100 kilometers, and we got the distance 2 centimeters, so the real distance in real life between Cairo and Aswan is, yes, 200 kilometers. 200 kilometers. This is just for example. Okay, next slide. Okay, we have here 2 pictures of something called satellite. Satellite. So what is the satellite? Satellite is a camera fixed in space where it takes pictures of the galaxies and the Earth. Okay? Next slide. Okay, this is the picture where or which was taken by the satellite or the camera fixed in the satellite. This picture is Egypt, okay? Or this is the picture of Egypt from above, from space. Okay, next one. This is a close-up from space. This is a close picture, okay? I guess if you want to take a closer look, these are the 3 pyramids of Giza, okay? This is Khufu, Khafra, and Mankara. As we can see it also in page 18 in our book, this is a close-up from space. Khufu, Khafra, Mankara, and we have here in the north, we have the Sphinx, okay? So this is a picture was taken up from the space. Okay. Again, we are going, next slide, again we are going to talk about Noor's family and the trip they are planning. So Noor's family makes plans. I need you to, yes, follow along while I'm reading in page 19. When Noor came from home from school, she found Grandpa and her brother Samir sitting at the computer. "We are online," said Samir, smiling. "Grandpa and I are planning our trip." They are planning what? They are planning the trip, or the boat trip, as we said before in the previous lessons. "Now, Samir," said Grandpa, "we will all plan the trip together. You and I are doing research for the trip." So what's a research? A research is a very careful study of a subject or of something that we want to do. We wanted to gather information, more information about it. "Okay, next." "Okay," said Samir. "Noor, did you know that there are more than 100 pyramids in Egypt?" Samir showed Noor a picture of the pyramids in Giza taken from space. "Okay, next." "I have seen the picture in school," Noor said to her brother. "Do you think we could visit pyramids along our trip, Grandpa?" "I have not been to Giza pyramids since I was much younger," said Grandpa. Next. "I would like to visit them. I would also like to see the pyramids in Saqqara. Would you?" "Yes," said Noor. "I would like to see many pyramids as we travel." "Me too," said Samir. "Me too." Okay, so apparently they are going to visit also pyramids of Egypt along their trip. So that will be all. Thank you and good luck.